Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Caine from the Amazing Digital Circus. So let's get started. To draw this very cool AI ring master, let's first start by drawing his teeth. So I'm going to come right here and start with a curve going across. So coming right here, and we're just going to draw this big curve coming across about this wide. Then from there, I'm going to draw another curve. So I'm just going to leave an opening for the eyes. So let's say about right here. Just come straight down about right here. And we're going to draw another curve. So this is going to be the bottom row of teeth. Go all the way across, just like the top one. So now that we have these two curves in, let's go ahead and fill it in. So, well, actually, you know what? Before we do that, let's put in the eyes first. So I'm going to come in here in this area, and we're going to draw a big circle. So we're going to draw two circles, but this one's going to be bigger because I think his eyes are not the same size. So we're just going to draw these two circles floating in here. So one big one, and then maybe another one right next to it, say about this. Say about right here, and a little bit smaller. From there, let's go ahead and we're going to draw another circle inside. His eyes are kind of wacky. And then from there, we're going to draw another circle inside. And then one on top right here for a highlight. And then I'm going to shade this one in. And this is where we're going to color the blue, I believe, on this side for his eyes. So let's draw the same thing over here. Another circle, and then inside once again. And a highlight right here. There. So now we have the eyes in, let's go ahead and finish the teeth. So I'll say about right here is my center here, and I'll bring it down to about here so that we have the teeth centered. So I'm going to go right here, and we're going to start to draw the teeth. So I'm going to go up. This is the two front teeth, so these are going to be bigger. And make them about the same size, going up nice and high. And then we're going to start to come down, so a little bit smaller. So definitely turn your paper over your body, and then one more just to finish it off. There. So same thing over here. One, however many you can fit in here. And one more. There, got our teeth in. And then the bottom one. So same thing. Bottoms are a little bit smaller, so we come right here. And then once again, we're just going to go up. And however many we can fit. Maybe one more, just to finish it off. So same thing here. Okay, there. So if you wanted to be really detailed on it, you could definitely come in here and bring this out a little bit so that it's not one perfect line. But I thought it was just easier if you draw a curve, a big curve first. So you can just pop these out. Then you have individual teeth, right? Just makes it a little bit more detailed. So same thing here. But definitely start with a curve. It makes it a little bit easier. Okay, there. And now that we have that in, let's go ahead. We're going to draw the gums. So I'm going to come back into this space right here. I'm going to pop it out a little bit and pop this part out a little bit. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect it. So right over the teeth, kind of following the teeth. So it's going to be a little bit higher towards the center, about right here. And then just bring it down. There. For the top, and then for the bottom, same thing. You're going to pop it out a little bit, make it look like gums. And then let's bring this down, curve all the way, and connect. There. And then from there, let's draw his top hat. So we're going to come to the sides right here and let's just draw the rim of our hat. So I'm just going to put in a curve about this wide and then round it off. And then put in the top hat. So about right here and here and connect. And then a little curve right here for some detail. And bring this in a little bit more. Okay, finally done with his head. So from there, let's go ahead and draw his ringmaster outfit. So right in the center, once again, we're going to say about right here. I'm just going to draw a little curve. And this is going to be the beginning of his bow. So let's say about right here and here. I'm just trying to center everything. I'm going to bring down a long V, big V, right about here. And then we can go ahead and finish his bow right here. And there's going to be 2 buttons. I'm going to draw 2 circles right into this space right there. And then let's come out for his shoulder. So about right here and here. There, so the 2 angles in. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to bring it in. So let's bring this in, kind of following the V that you drew. Come down and about right here. So I'm going to bring down a straight line to about here. I'm going to bring this a little bit more. And then we're going to come out and out for his ringmaster coat. So then this part is going to come straight down. And then let's see here, let's curve this out. So we're almost meeting, but not yet. So we just don't want to pass this line. So then from there, come back to the center about right here. We're going to draw a little angle line and then a straight line down. So this is going to be his legs. Right there, and then let's just kind of bring it in about right here. Just draw angle line down, and same thing here, just to simplify it. Okay, so now that we have that, we can go ahead and finish his coat. So we're going to curve it in and then just connect everything. Same thing here, just curve it in and connect. There. Okay, so then from there, before I forget, we need to finish his coat. So let's come right here, following this angle. We're going to come here and then give a little notch and connect. And same thing over here. Little notch and connect. Then let's finish off his feet. So let's say about right here. And I'm going to curve this out and bring it down and connect, just simplifying the feet. So same thing here and connect. There. Okay, so then now for his hands, let's work on this side. It's a little bit simpler. It's just going to be on his hip area, say about right there. I'm going to bring this out and about right here. And I want his hand to be about in this area. So I'm going to come right about here and I'm going to angle. Let's go ahead and just thicken everything up. Then we're going to connect it with a curve and then draw a curve around it for his gloves. And then whatever space you have left, draw a little angle, and then a little finger right there. So then on this side, we're going to have him holding his baton. So let's come out. About right here. So same thing, about same width as the other side. About right there. Then we're going to, once again, draw in his gloves. So a big curve. And then on this side, we're going to draw a little bit more detail for his hand. So we're going to come right here and we're going to draw a thumb coming down. And then we're going to tuck in a finger, so just a loop. and then one loop and one more. And then we're going to just connect everything with another curve. So just simplifying the hands as if it's holding the baton. So then let's put the baton right into this space. So I'm just going to follow, continue it out, and thicken it up. So about right here, just approximate, and here. There, and then on the top right here, curve and then a circle to the top of the baton. There, so hopefully that helps. Okay, and I believe that is pretty much it. Hopefully I haven't missed anything. Check here and there, but that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Caine from the Amazing Digital Circus. I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.